Alright, tonight is Kaz's last meal with her sisters. The last Tornado Sisters meal. And there's a big K of grated cheese on a huge plate of roux mince. Okay, let's see how they go. Okay, everyone sit down. Sit down. Sit. Good girl, Kazzy. Emma, Maggie, sit down. Everyone sit down. Good sisters. Good Tornado Sisters. Good girls. Here you go. Oh, that's it. You get that cheese, Kazzy. Oh, go Mags. Oh, Emma's such a lady. Emma's such a lady. Look at her, so delicate. Go, Kazzy. Beautiful dogs. Good dogs. Good dogs. Do the washing up.